Howdy, Roger Paschal here, your incoming district governor, starting in July. I hope everyone is doing well during the shutdown. I think we're starting to see things bounce back, and that's why I want to announce our first of 3 Public Image District Assembly sessions starting Thursday, May 28th at 7 p.m. Great. Our first session is a very timely topic. Virtual Meetings 101, How to Rock Your Virtual Rotary Meeting, followed by a panel discussion on ways to engage Rotary members virtually and otherwise during COVID-19. And we'll be reviewing an overview of sessions 2 and 3. On session 2, which will be on June the 4th, entitled Public Image Best Practices, also a 1-hour virtual training session, and session 3, which will be on June the 11th, entitled Maximizing Your Club's Rotary Brand, also a 1-hour training session. All 3 are intended for any Rotarian or Rotary leader that wants to engage and increase club members in easy and innovative ways. Pre-register now for the May 28th session. Go to your district website, rotary5790.org. Under Upcoming Events, find Virtual Meetings 101. Click on the graphic. When the page opens, find Please Pre-Register here. Once pre-registered, you'll receive the link for Thursday's virtual meeting. See you on Thursday.